That's my big screen 60-inch TV. Actually, it's not 60, it's 56-inch.
3 years. 3 years ago.
Let's go see what Timmy's doing. That's Timmy's room. Nobody's in here right now. And he's got the TV on, wasting electricity. Give you a tour of part of my house here. Going into the master bedroom here. Kind of messy. I apologize. That's my wife. She's playing some kind of poker game or something like that. Yeah, she's playing some kind of card game. You know how Asian people like to play cards and shit. Are you winning, honey?
No.
She's not winning. Yep, that's my room right here. Also got a TV in my room. Got a nice little computer station. Yeah. Got a, what is that called? A gaming system. So, it's pretty tight. I like it. Has a kitchen. Has a stove. I still don't know how to use it yet. That's my formal dining room. Still got all the chairs. Formal living area. Yeah, so that's how we do it. Some Asian artifacts. Uh-oh, it's my brother Z. No, that's not Z. That's Kenneth.
What's up?
Drunk ass Kenneth. What's up, Kenneth? Say hello.
What's up, motherfucker?
Kenneth probably just got out of jail or got off of work, one or the other. That's my brother Z right there. Yeah, that's Kenneth right there. Kenneth is a 25-year-old. How old are you, Kenneth? 24. He's single. Long walk from the beach.
Ready to mingle?
He's not gay, but his boyfriend is.
No, hell no. Ain't got no boyfriend.